Hi students, this is the second part of Unit 1. These four questions are very important in this 2 mark. Okay, first one is the Vergenon theorem or principles of moment. Second is the types of supports. Third one is the types of loads. Fourth one is Lami's theorem. These four questions are very important. Okay, in 2 mark question point of view, these are the very important. So concentrate these things. Okay. So now I am going to explain about the Lami's theorem. Here only I am going to explain this formula, not the definition. Okay. However, this is the Lami's theorem diagram. Okay. We can apply this theorem only for 3 forces. If the 3 forces are acting at a point, we can use this Lami's theorem. Okay, here the force is a P, the second force is a Q, third force is a R. Okay, we can say the angle between the two forces. This is the alpha, this angle is beta, and this angle is gamma. Okay, simply we can say the Lami's theorem is the P, that's the force divided by this opposite angle. That means this force divided by this opposite angle. There's a sine beta. This force, what is the opposite angle of this force? This force divided by this opposite angle. Okay, this is only for formula reminders. Okay, so then second is Q divided by, it's a Q divided by sine gamma. This is the force Q divided by what is the opposite angle? This is the opposite angle gamma. Then equal to R divided by, this is the R third force divided by sine alpha. Okay, this is the important formula, just keep in your mind. So force divided by opposite angle, that's the important point. Okay, here I am going to work out another one problem. What is the problem? An electrical light fixture weighing 15 Newton hangs from C by two strings AC and BC. AC is inclined at 60 degree to the horizontal and BC at 45 degree to the vertical as shown in figure. Using Lami's theorem, determine the forces in string AC and BC. Okay, here this is the diagram. Here one end is fixed, this end is fixed, other end is one force is just one weight is hanging, right? So that is a 15 Newton. Okay, that is a 15 Newton, and they give the angle of inclination of this string. String is nothing, that this is a simple support. Okay, the angle of AC, this is the AC, is inclined at 60 degree to the horizontal. From the horizontal, this is a 60 degree and 45 degree from the vertical. Okay, how can we find the force of the AC and BC? Here we can use the Lami's theorem, right? What's the Lami's theorem? You know, the force divided by opposite angle, that is the Lami's theorem. Okay, however, first of all, we should find the angle between these two strings as well as these things. Okay, anyhow, first of all, redraw this diagram. Okay, first of all, redraw this diagram. You know this force, this hanging force is 15 Newton, and you know this angle, this is a 60 degree, as well as you know this angle 45 degree. This is the T1. You can put like that. This is the T1. T1 is nothing, it's a tension 1 or F1, whatever it may be, as you wish, you can give the name. This is a T2. How can we find the angle between these two strings as well as these things? How can you find it? Already you know the angle from the horizontal to this string, that is a 60 degree. What is the remaining angle? This is the one quadrant, this total 90. 90 minus 60 equal to 30 degree. So what is the whole angle between these two strings? From this point to this point, we know the 45 degree plus 30 degree, that is equal to 75 degree. Clear? Then what is the angle between these two? That means the weight to this hanging weight to this string, from this point to this point is 60 degree. This is the 90 degree. So 90 degree plus 60 degree equal to 150 degree. 150 degree. Then finally we should find the angle between these two things. Here come to the point. This is the 45 degree. Again remaining angle, this is the also 40 degree. This angle is 90 degree. Clear? This is 45. Remaining this portion, this quadrant angle is 45 degree. This whole quadrant, this is a 90 degree. So 90 degree plus 45 degree equal to 135 degree. Or else you can also find like this. The total angle of this one circle is 360 degree. 360 degree minus 150 degree minus 75 degree. You may get the value 135 degree. You can also find this value. Okay. After that, these are the very important. If you find the angle between the two string as well as the two tension bump, after that you can directly substitute all values in this relation. So, okay, what's the relation? What's the formula? Here we are going to apply the Lami's theorem. Lami's theorem. As per the Lami's, how will you make a equation here? Here, this is a T1. I said before, the force divided by opposite angle. So opposite sine, this is a T1. What's the opposite angle? This 150 is the opposite angle, 150 degree, equal to, then come here, T2. T2 divided by what is the opposite angle? 135 degree, sine 135 degree. Third, you know this force, right? 15 divided by what is the opposite angle? Sine 75 degree. Clear? T1 divided by 1 sine 150 equal to T2 divided by sine 135 equal to 15 divided by sine 75. Okay, then take any two terms. Okay, this is here there are three terms, right? Just first of all take any two terms, one unknown value, another one known value. Okay, so first of all take these two terms. So better to write again here, okay? Otherwise you may confuse when you calculate this equation. Sine 75 degree. Here we should find the value of T1, right? T1 equal to 50 into, you can cross multiply, right? Okay, sine 150 degree divided by sine 75 degree. So when you calculate this time, you will get the value T1 equal to 7.76 Newton. Okay, just we find the tension value of this BC, right? Then second, take other term. Okay, one unknown value, another one, and another one known value. That is T2 divided by sine 135 equal to 15 divided by sine 75 degree. So how will you find the value of T2? T2 equal to 15 into 135 divided by, sorry, sine 135 degree divided by sine 75 degree. When you calculate this time, you will get the value 10.98 Newton. 10.98 Newton. This is the tension force of this. That's the force at these two strings. These are the forces at these two strings. Okay. T1 equal to 7.76. T2 equal to 10.98 Newton. Thank you for watching this video.